Traveling solo can be a daunting task, discouraging, and sometimes make you feel like you regret doing it. But in traveling solo, it could be one of the most rewarding experiences ever. Genuine interactions with the locals can be much easier and can lead to befriending people that you'll have for the rest of your life. When you look lost, it seems like people will go out of their way to help you out and feel welcome. This is my last night in Amritsar, going back to my hotel after a long day of exploring under the hot sun and dealing with the unfamiliarities of India. If you find yourself in a side street that's dark and empty, it's probably best to get the hell out of there. But Google was leading me, and this is where I ended up. Three men were standing in front of their house talking and noticed that I was trying to walk towards the dead end. They told me that I had to walk all the way back to the main road since it was closed. I planned to just head back, but after our brief conversation, they invited me into their 120-year-old house for some chai. I would never invite a random dude into my house in the later hours, but I guess I seemed harmless. Friendly Indian family,
Yes.
and this is their 120-year-old house.
Yes.
And they will give me a house tour. Very, very cool.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Please come in. Let's. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, upstairs.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wow,
This
very
is
steep.
the old. Yeah. This is the old
Oh, I see. Floor, huh?
old floor.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So this is the spotters, and this is the wooden,
Right.
and this is a spotter.
Oh, okay.
This is a 120 old year.
120. Amazing, amazing.
Yeah. So this is the street.
Yes. Oh, wow.
Yeah. Let's come in.
120.
Yeah.
I've never been to old house like this.
Yeah.
Wow. Namaste.
Namaste. Please come in.
Oh, should I take off my shoes?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay.
Like Japan.
Yes. Oh, like Japan, yes.
Yeah,
Take off shoes. Yes. Very good.
Come here. Yeah, come in.
Oh,
This is
wow.
our
This is
small
nice.
house. Yes.
By sub, please sit. No,
Sit in,
it's okay.
please. It's okay. It's
Really?
okay.
Okay.
Money बैठ जा.
Wait a minute.
Oh, wow. Amazing.
Do you want tea?
I'm very full. I just ate so much.
Some water.
Some water.
Anything?
Water, brother.
No, I'm okay. Thank you.
Please.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know. You have tea? Or as a Westerner, I'm ashamed that I didn't just welcome their offer to get some water or some chai. We're spammed with videos and horrible stories of food poisoning, and I didn't think that my delicate Japanese stomach would be able to handle it. And I'm glad I ended up having the chai because it was really amazing.
My favorite country is Japan.
Japan.
I love Japan.
Oh wow, amazing. Why Japan?
His techniques.
Technology.
Japanese technology is number one.
Yes.
And living culture also.
Oh, living
Culture. Very beautiful culture.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
It's I love India. India is very cool.
Sports,
Food.
culture,
Yeah.
dance,
Dancing.
martial arts.
Martial arts.
Yeah.
Yes. But I like Indian dancing is very, very fun too, huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this. So this is just chai.
Chai only.
Only milk tea.
Milk tea.
Oh, milk tea.
Yeah.
Okay.
Milk and sugar.
Cheers.
Some sugar.
Yes. Yes.
Some sugar. Okay.
Classic.
Ah,
Wow.
very good.
Yeah.
Yes. Little bit masala in here.
Yeah,
Little bit. Okay. And just milk.
So adding just flavor.
Okay.
Flavor, yeah.
Very, very good.
Yeah, selfie.
What is your last name?
Kuljit Singh. Last name Kuljit Singh?
Kochi Singh?
No, Kuljit Singh. Full name is
Kuljit
Kuljit Singh. Last name is Singh.
Singh.
Yeah.
Singh.
Only
Okay.
Singh.
Singh, very
Very
common
Common.
name.
All six are Singh.
Oh, really?
Yeah, all six have last name is Singh.
Really?
Yeah.
I learn something new every day. New subscriber.
Yes, sir. Punjab.
So it was kulcha.
Aloo wala kulcha,
Yeah.
bhature shole, puri
Okay.
shole. Yeah.
So many.
So many.
Yeah.
They are
Aloo wala
all,
kulcha is very famous.
They all are
Morning
masala
breakfast. Morning
Oh,
breakfast.
breakfast.
Yeah, morning breakfast.
All over the
Okay.
place.
Heavy flavor.
Maybe I will go tomorrow.
Heavy breakfast.
Yeah.
Okay.
Heavy breakfast. You have to do tomorrow.
Ooh, okay. I need to eat.
Yes, yes. Ơi ਛੱਡ ਦੇ ਗੋਲੂ ਬਾਉ ਦੇ ਨਾ ਬਾਉ ਦੇ ਹੈਗਾ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਕਿ ਥੋੜਾ ਬਗਿਆ ਨੂੰ
Our family pick old memories.
Oh, this is you.
This is me. Yeah.
Older. Nice family, beautiful family.
Thank you. Thank you.
ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਬਾਲ
ਮੈਂ ਬਣਾਵਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬੈਠੋ ਦੋਵੇਂ ਜਣੇ ਮੈਂ ਬਣਾਵਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਬਣਾ ਲਿਓ
These people are too nice.
Yes.
Very, very nice people.
ਇਹਨੂੰ ਛੱਡ ਕੇ ਆਣਾ ਘਰੇ ਪਰ
This is the kitchen. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Indian housewife.
Yes.
Punjabi.
Ah, nice. Thank you so much. Yeah. Amazing house. Beautiful house.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. No, thank you.
Please sit.
Ah. Ah. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, this is the bottom.
Yeah. For the ventilation.
Oh, ventilation.
Yeah. There are one
Oh,
more.
and more.
Yeah.
Is this a room?
No. It's a terrace.
Oh, terrace.
Yes.
Ah, okay.
Please come. On terrace. Let's take a terrace tour.
Oh, okay, okay.
Other,
Oh, you sure? Okay.
please.
Up to the terrace.
Yeah.
Wow, these are very old, huh? Bricks. Oh, wow.
Their houses are attached with each other. Take a look at.
Oh. This is amazing.
Yeah. Some.
And this is a washroom.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wow. Oh, it's on
Street.
street.
Our small street. All the houses are attached with each other.
Oh, attached. This is beautiful. You hang around here a lot, or?
Sometimes.
Oh, sometimes.
Yeah.
Lot.
In the morning.
In the
Fresh
morning.
air for.
Yeah. Wow. This is nice.
Wooden bench.
Good bench. Very good bench. Ah, amazing. So this is 120 years old.
Yeah.
Wow.
No, it's new.
Oh, this one's new.
Yeah, this is new, but the ground floor is our old.
Oh,
Ground
okay,
floor, but
okay.
the upstairs is new.
And here there was.
They are old. They are old design for the.
You don't God.
Light, yeah.
God.
No, lights.
Lights.
Only lights.
Oh,
Yeah.
lights. Okay,
Old.
okay.
In the old candle stand. Candle stand.
Candle stand.
Yeah.
Wow. Amazing.
Yeah.
Ah, thank you so much. This is so cool. Very, very cool.
Let's take a Amritsar tour. You have to keep.
So he says I have to climb up this.
Yeah. Climb up.
This is crazy. Oh my goodness. Is this okay?
Yeah. Okay.
So that's the Golden Temple around here. We are above. This is like above Amritsar, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. This is so nice. Perfect weather too.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's a very
very
nice
cool,
weather.
huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your hotel is this side.
Yes. Okay.
At this area, your hotel is at this area.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. But we can't see here.
Yeah. So many buildings.
Yeah, so many buildings
Yeah.
and also the trees.
Okay.
So that's why we can't see. But all the hotels, these are all hotels.
Uh-huh.
Oh, so many hotels here. No, you have to down
Go-
like
yes, other way, yes,
yeah.
yes.
We are daily-
Professional, you are
yeah,
professional.
we're professionals, yeah.
Okay. I will put the camera away. Hello, video. Namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste. Bye.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Very friendly. Yes.
So let's take a ride with
Okay.
Good night.
Good night.
They are very friendly. They don't want to leave you.
Bye. Special thank you to Kuljit, Rubal, Mani Singh, and the rest of your family for the amazing hospitality. I hope to see you all again one day.
Street is very tight.
Yes, very tight.